Are you tired of wasting your time and effort to put your gear on the tripod? Every time you have to blah blah blah, and then your inspiration maybe go away. Today I want to introduce this time saver. Look at this one. Just put it on your tripod. Put this, problem solved. How many seconds? Count 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 seconds. So what is it? Let me introduce this little thing. There is a cloud here, this little thing. Put it on your bar light or camera. Use this little thing to make it tight. And then put this little thing on your tripod. And just put it on here. And we need it in just bam, and there is a lock. If you're worried about your camera can get off from this gear, lock it. And then even you accidentally press the button, it will not get off from the tripod. Pretty cool, right? Bam. Problem solved. I'll leave the link under this video. Check it next time. Peace.